Welcome to another fabric beading tutorial. This is part 6 and this is the sample of what we are making today. Yeah, we are using pearls and tackable rhinestones. Remember to knot your thread, and for this design we start from the middle. You pick a pearl and a rhinestone just like that, push it down. Make sure you are passing your needle into the pearl, not the rhinestone, to pass your needle down just like this. This is the same method you go through doing all these designs. Remember that this is how you fill it up: pearl and a rhinestone, then you pass your needle into the pearl down into the fabric to fill it up. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share our post.